Hello everyone. So we have a good question from the chapter of definite integration. So as you can see, this question looks very scary, and the method which I used for doing this was by trying to plot the area. Okay. So let me show you how you can find the area. It's not a very difficult method to find the area. Yeah, let's see. Okay. So first, let's start from the uh, very interior of this function. Okay, we have got mod x minus 1 over here, right? Mod x minus 1 is the first thing which we have to draw. So mod x is this graph. So mod x minus 1 will be one step below in the y-axis, right? So it will look something like this. This is what it will look like. Now again, a mod sign has been applied on it. Right, now we are coming to this mod block over here. Now because of this mod, what happens is that this area which is under the y-axis, it will move up. Okay, so now this is what the graph will look like. uh yeah, just a second. Yeah, okay, this is what the graph looks like. Now we come to the next block, which is again a -1. Okay, so फिर से -1 करना होगा. So this is what we will have now. I'm sorry. Right, now over that we have another mod. Right, we are now in this block over here. uh I'm sorry. We are now in this block. Okay, फिर से we are applying mod. So again what will happen is that uh, this graph is now non-existent basically. This will happen. This is now the actual graph now. See, right? Because this area which is below y-axis, it will now move above y-axis. Okay. So yeah. Now let's come to the third block, which is -1. So again, this block will move one step down over here. Right? Again, we have a mod over here. So again, we have one mod over here. So because of this, we will now be having this graph. Look carefully. We will now be having, I'm running out of colors now. See, we will be having this graph. Okay, again, this red orange color graph is non-existent, and this light green color graph is also non-existent. Okay, so now we will come to the next block, which is again -1. So for drawing -1, okay, and now when we will once again apply mod, the mod will look something like this. Okay, and again the green graph, it no longer exists, and neither does the purple graph. Okay, so if you see, the points on the x coordinate are 0, 1, 2, -1 and -2. So we have to find the area from minus 2023 to 2023. Now this graph is symmetric about the y-axis, right? So if we find the area from 0 to 2023 and then multiply it by 2, it will basically be the same thing, right? So yeah, let's find the area. Okay, so let me do one thing. Uh, so this is the area of the triangle, okay? The region which has been shaded, let this be the area of the triangles, okay? The area of the triangles will be, let this be A1, this will be equal to 4 into half, and this height is 2. Just a second. Sorry, my stylus is not working properly. Half into 2 into 1, which will basically be equal to 4 unit square, right? Now we have to find A2, which is the area beyond 2, which is this area, okay? And this A2 over here, this will be half into 2, or rather 2 into half, I'm sorry. This will be multiplied by 2 later on. This is half into 2023 minus 4 whole square, and this is multiplied by 2, okay? And when you sum up these two areas, the total area will turn out to be a very big number, 4076365 unit square, okay? So yeah, that is the answer for you, okay? I hope you have been able to understand how to approach this question. It might seem very daunting at first, but yeah, it's not very difficult to simplify, okay? Thank you.